welcome to today's episode. Today we're looking at the remote control version of the General Lee from the Dukes of Hazzard. So it's a little bit of a cheat actually, because this particular model is based on the 2005 version film, which was the remake of the original TV series. So the story behind this car is I recently rediscovered it from my parents' loft quite a few years ago when I was moving. I put a load of my stuff in storage and I forgot all about this remote control car. Now there is one problem, I can't find the hand controller, but I think I have a way of getting around that, but we'll come to that later. But let's just take a closer look at the car. Well, as you can see where it's been in storage, it's quite dusty, so I'll give it a clean up in a minute. Boxes on top of boxes are not very good with these wheels, as you can see, and a little bit of a flat spot, so I don't know how I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, let's get started. Let's give this a clean up. So I'm just going to use a dust cloth, all the worst of the crud off. See, it's pretty dusty. There's a few little marks on there, but I don't think we can do anything about that. Where I've used it before, it's kind of been bashed around and already done a few jumps. I don't know if you can see that, but there's still some other kind of crud. It's not just dust. Looks like some kind of residue or something that's leaked from another box. I don't know. But we'll clean up soon. I'm going to use a baby wipe just to get this. Yeah, it's come straight off. Better. Some of the stickers are starting to peel. Should I take the stickers off? Confederate flag, very controversial. I don't know. What do you guys think? So as you can see, this is RC. He runs on 27 megahertz. So my theory is that this hand control should work for the General Lee. I'm no expert, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just going to open up the battery pack. I think there's battery still in it, and I know it's definitely well past the use by date. So let's just open that up now. Fit these screws holding it in, and it slips out. And you can see there's some corrosion, a bit of battery leak, not good. I'll take them out. Let's take a look inside. There is a bit of crud, nothing too serious. I'm going to see if I can scrape that off. Okay, let's give it a wipe out. Okay, let's put some new batteries in. Power it on. I've got my RC remote control. Alright, let's see if it works. No. It's not working. Now, could it be because there's still a bit of corrosion on those battery springs, or could it be that this remote control just isn't going to work at all? I don't know. I'm going to turn it off now and see if I can clean up those springs. Okay, what I've got here now is a bit of tissue and some vinegar, and I'm going to wipe those springs just to clean up a bit. Now ideally a cotton bud tip was usually better, but I don't have any at the moment, so just give it a wipe. Yes, tissue's falling apart. This is why a tip is better. Those cotton bud tips are much better. it does look a little bit better. So let's go and dry that off. Okay, the batteries are back in. Switch it on. Set the remote on. Well, that was something. That was the the siren I was talking about earlier on, but I'm not getting any signal. Oh. So progress. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it over. Here we go, up better. Right, let's try one more time. I think that's a no. Right, I'm going to take the tyres off, see if I can sort of get rid of the flat spots. I can see properly here. Don't want to break it, so be careful. Not really much room. There we go. There's much I can do about that really. I guess the alternative maybe is to get some new tyres, but I'm not sure I can really be bothered with all the hassle. If anyone has any suggestions on how to get rid of the flat spots, your comments are welcome. I think I'm just going to put it back on. Alright, I'm having a bit of trouble getting the tyre back on, and I don't want to risk breaking it, so I think I'm going to just take the body off, and which will give me a bit more room to play with it. So there's some screws holding it in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's start by doing that. Okay, all the screws are out. As I say, the front bumper bit has come off, and it's just like a front of a normal Dodge Charger now. So, don't know, it's pretty cool without it, I think. Anyway, let's get it off. And there we go. I've been careful taking the top off because there's still wires connected up. There's lights. Now, I don't want to break the wires. Get that tyre back on. Not quite on right. Just need to pinch them over to the wheel properly. That is done. Let's just take a quick look inside. A very basic setup. Got your main controller there, and your servo there for your steering. So that's all back together now. May have noticed that the windscreen wiper, or windshield wiper, whatever you want to call it, depending where you're from, that's broken off. So I'm going to need to glue that back on. I'm going to do that another day. I think I'll leave the video there for now. I'm going to carry on looking for that proper remote control hand controller and get it working properly, and hopefully in the next video we'll be able to see it in action. Thanks for watching.